Bene kuphi sikhathi emsebenzini ku shortlistwa ama driver abazotestwa yabo. So one of my colleagues masicediwe nje shortlistwa abantu sends me a number yabo, asayish mangicela ungisize ufake lela gama lapha yabo. Ubhuti Nyamazi futhi azangaso ubhuti usewubaba baba Nyamazi sisebenza sonke, angibalele guys indawo ebasebenza kizo yabo. Ngithi mina okay, cause uze wangithumelela ne CV yaka baba automatically yabo. So his CV is 71, so I'm thinking, oh okay, he's an old man, he's got experience, so yabo. Okay, ngitshela abaphathi lapha ukuthi ngicela uku-eda igama lomuntu oyi-1 yabo. Bavume vele. How lifike ilanga lokutesta. Ilanga lokutesta ubaba ne athi ucela i-lift yabo, cause uzwile ukuthi ngize-Piet so ucela ukuthi ahambisane nami. How, tell me guys, why did i-voice yaka baba sound like ubaba umuntu omncane? Like his voice sounded like a young guy, right? Okay, si ngifike la mele ngimgibeze khona yabo. Mind you, la ngimgibeze khona like kunemizi, it's a railway line and stuff like that. How ubaba akekho la ngithi ngimfonela khona Vumbukiyani emahlathini. Okay, I'm thinking, okay, maybe this man just went there to do his number 2, let me just mind my own business. Okay, sharp. Ubaba guys makagibele emotweni angabingeleli. Yes, okay, as in let's just go to site and do what we have to do. How yithi laba sahamba vele mase singene Piet ubaba athi kimi sawubona makoti wami unjani, hey umuhle, yazi ngakuthokozela ukuthi ube umakoti wami. I was like, stop right there. You will not play that card with me. Firstly, you got in the car, you didn't greet anyone. Second of that, you're trying to do this, I don't know man, people like doing this thing ukuthi umuntu azohlekisa nami thinking ukuthi yimocasha akashi mina akhethi mina yabo. So I put it on the table ukuthi please don't get any ideas, but anyway let's just drive and get to site yabo. Okay, sharp guys, sifike vele site. So la bebatestela khona, so mina I was busy with other things on the call yabo. Okay, bamile le like good, and then mina ngingapha the other side of umgodi, so but I can still see what's going on yabo. So people go, people test, and this man like keeps yabo lokudlulisa abantu ngiyambona. How it's a lokia sing busy manje on a call, and here he comes like, and from Labe but to where I was, like I was at the viewpoint, he could still come to me. I was like, this man took time to walk that distance to here. I wonder what is wrong. Okay, sharp guys, ubaba makafika kimi athi makoti wami mina ngeke ngiphumelele ukutesta yabo. Ngithi mina what's wrong yabo. I was like, no, let me hear what he's got to say, because yeah. Okay, ngiyabona nje into engizoyenza la ukuthi ngizosihlekisisa ngeingane ezincane, and mina nalento etestwa la lo machine mina ngwazi. So I'm like, baba uze njani ke la ungawazi machine? Asa ngithi uyangibona ukuthi ngigugile ngane yami. Shuthi mina kahle kahle ngumuntu wesintu, and manga umuntu wesintu nje mina umuthi ngiyawudla, and angidla umuthi lo nini enojwayele egoli, ngidla umuthi wake impela, umuthi ukuthi ungangitholisa umsebenzi kusasa ngizithole ngidrive ama truck. I was like, what the hell? Athi yebo ngane yami, kukhona nje abantu abaningi baphila leyo mpilo, so manje ngiyabona nje ukuthi la ngizozihlekisisa ngeingane. I was like, no, I can speak to labantu abatestayo ama-assess yabo ukuthi bakuteste, and then yeah, athi cha ngane yami, angifuni nje ukukumoshela isikhathi, ngiyakubona nje ukuthi wena nje umuntu ozilungele, cela nje ukuthi sihambe ungiphindisele la ungithole khona nawe uchubeke ngendlela yakho. Hayi guys, ithi laba vele sihambe ngitshele ama-assessor ukuthi ubaba uthi akatest yabo. Laba abanye bengize nabo batestile, so vele we went. Okay, before sisohlika, tell me, why did that man say to me, uyakhuleka, ngiyakubona ukuthi uyakhuleka ngane yami, ungayekela ukuthandaza lamandla onawo azokuchobekisa uzuye uphumelele ube kude empilweni. Did I not think that man was a ghost? But now here's the disappointing part about lento lo baba yenzile. Someone who needed the job could have gotten shortlisted, but he chose to see ukuthi umuthi wakhe uyomphumelelisa kuphi. It is so disappointing ukuthi in this day and age there's still people who believe ukuthi such things can still work. I just wonder where he is. I'm sure manje sekasebenzela some other trucking company and they don't know. It's not him. It's a cat that's driving. Yeah.